Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, April 15. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to take a look at the US dollar yen. This is a 45 minutes chart right here. Alright, and we can see the pair is pulling back in the form of a WXY, a double 3 structure. The W here is in the form of another WXY in the lower degree, and the Y in the red degree is in progress now as another WXY. So we have WXY, and in which case the leg, the internal subdivision of the W and the Y, both themselves also subdivided into another WXY. So it's a everything is in three waves. This is 3, and then this W here is also 3, and then this is also 3. So everything is in 3 waves down. Um, so this one suggests that as long as the rally stays below 109 or 110 here, we could see another leg lower to finish the Y leg. So let's take a look here at the 4-hour time frame. So we're talking about this WX in the red degree here, the same WX here in the 1-hour chart. So we're looking at the pullback that started from March 31st. Okay, so this pullback here, like we see here, is in the form of a double 3, which is a double correction. So let's place it here using the same WX here. This W and X is the same place here, WXY. Okay, and then now of course you can see a complete count in our service. This is just to give you some short-term ideas. Okay, if you want to have a complete count in all time frame and US dollar yen and all other forex pairs or indices, stocks, commodities, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. Okay, so over here we have another W. So basically what we are looking at here is a X followed by another leg lower. So this WXY ideally can go as low as 100% extension, so it can go all the way to 108. So this is going to be the next support area on the US dollar yen to finish this proposed WXY structure. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI a little bit here. Let's check out this low here first of all. Let me see if there is any other alternate that we can do. This low here is 109.93. This high is 109.96. Alright, so there is an overlap here, which I will get back to why I'm checking that. So we see a divergence here, which is what you should be looking at in the 5th swing of a 7 swing structure, right? So here we go. So I think the alternate we can also possibly do is this is a diagonal 1 2 3 4 5 with an overlapping 1 and 4. Okay, it could be a diagonal in the form of a 3 3, and then everything is in 3, right? 3 3 3. I can label this, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 as a diagonal. Okay, something like this is a possibility as well. But because the nature of the 5 waves or 5 swing, then even if it is a diagonal, it also suggests more downside is likely. But the difference will be the rally in the US dollar yen can be different. Now in a diagonal like this will be an A, and then the rally is not going to be correcting the cycle, but the rally is going to be correcting this entire cycle. So we can have a bigger bounce like this. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 like this, ending A, and then we can get a B, and then we can get a C, and that will end C, B leg, right? We can be doing something like this. Now if we are doing something like this, then of course it will rally a little bit more before it resumes the downtrend or the leg lower again, right? So since how do we know which one is which then? I think simply we can just draw a channel here. So let's say if we actually break above that channel, the trend line I draw here, if we break above that, okay, and let's say close above this channel, then I think you should consider the possibility this cycle is actually ending, and then we can correct that cycle perhaps in the form of the P, and this can be counted as a diagonal before we turn lower again. But otherwise, as long as we stay within the channel, right, as long as we stay within the channel, the current proposed count remains valid. We could be doing a double 3 in which this is ABC here. Right, this could be an ABC W, and this is an X, and as long as we stay below this channel, then the rally can fail, right? The rally can fail and then turns lower again to finish that Y leg to the downside with the target towards this area here, equality target 108, approximately 108 to 106.7. Okay, so that is the idea, guys, with an alternate that I'm presenting as well as a diagonal here. All right, so if you want to get further updates, then feel free to check our service, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.